spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Hey guys, my name is Ashlei J Aaron and I wanted to welcome you to my channel. I am so excited you are here. I have so much spring cleaning and motivation for you guys, a kitchen reveal, and a little decorating. I want to make sure you guys are subscribed because I have an entire spring cleaning series. This is part 2 and a new spring decorating video next Monday. I also wanted to tell you that today's video is in collaboration with an amazing group of women here on YouTube, including Amy Darley. These videos we have created for you guys will give you tons of spring cleaning motivation, so after you're done watching my video, check out my description box. I will have the playlist listed for you.
You fill my head with roses.
Before we can get into the cleaning, I just need to go through and remove all of this plastic and painter's tape. My husband just installed this new backsplash. If you follow me on Instagram, I have been posting over there and you guys have had little reveals and I kind of walked you through the entire process. So now we just need to remove any of the grout and painter's tape that is left, and then we can get into the spring cleaning.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back. No going back, there's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
So for me, spring cleaning means I'm going to hit areas that I don't usually touch on an everyday or weekly basis. So here is my checklist. I'm going to wipe down cabinets, wipe down appliances, baseboards, and floorboards. I'm also going to do the windows and wipe down the doors. It's always nice when I do a to-do list when I have a lot so that I don't forget anything. If you are spring cleaning with me today as well, let me know in the comments, what do you include in your spring cleaning? I would love to know, because maybe there's something that you are doing that I would like to include as well that I didn't even think of.
No going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
If you are new to my channel, then you are probably wondering why I am wiping down my cabinets. If you do follow me, you already know that this is something that I have to do actually quite often. I give it a little bit more of a deeper clean when it's spring cleaning or seasonal cleaning, but as you can see, I have dark cabinets and dark floors. I also painted my doors black, so overall apparently I just like to torture myself because everything is super dark, and if you have dark cabinets or flooring, you know that it shows absolutely everything. So this is something that I have to do. I just have to constantly wipe it down. And also another area, this is something I don't always hit, but make sure you wipe down the top of your refrigerator. Do you see all of that dust and dirt that fell? I did this right before Christmas, but because we live in a new build house, our entire neighborhood is new construction, so it just tends to be super dusty overall. But make sure you hit the top of your refrigerator. You may be surprised at how dirty it actually is.
Much better.
I took down this bakery sign and I'm just using a little bit of this Pledge antibacterial multi-surface spray to help remove any grease and dirt. This is also what I am using on my cabinets. I do like it, but I feel like I need something a little bit stronger, maybe like a degreaser. I feel like my cabinets that go directly over this microwave, they felt a little bit greasy. We don't eat a lot of fried foods, but you can see that there is not a lot of space between the stove and these cabinets. So I feel like any cooking we do, even with olive oil or anything, it all accumulates on that cabinet right there. So if you guys have any recommendations on how I can get this clean and help degrease this area, let me know in the comments down below. I would really appreciate it.
What I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever.
I am also going to be wiping down all of my chandeliers. I will go into more detail later in the video on what I use and some tips for that. But I wanted to show you guys a quick shot of the lights that I ordered off of Amazon. I will have them linked down below in case you are interested in them as well. This is a really nice option if you don't want to install permanent lighting underneath your cabinets. You just use this command strip. It also came with screws and there were 6 of them. I liked it because you can make it as bright as you want or as dim as you want, and it just takes 3 AA batteries. So now I am going to wipe underneath the cabinets to remove any dust or remaining grout. Then I'm going to use a little bit of rubbing alcohol just to make sure that the command strips stay nice and strong.
You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too.
If you are installing these lights as well, you are just going to want to use a little bit of alcohol, clean the area. Put your command strip on the back of the light, press the light into the cabinet for 30 seconds, and that is it. You're all set. You can add your light back in, and this was super easy. It probably took me 5 minutes to install, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out.
You know that I will miss you if you leave, 'cause I love you for the rest of my life, babe. I wanna stay up all night with you.
So now I'm just grabbing the remote to make sure that they work, and they do. Next, we are going to start wiping down all of the appliances. Here I am using a little bit of water in a spray bottle and my E-cloth stainless steel polishing cloth. I love this cloth because you don't have to use any additional chemicals, and honestly, of all the products I've used, this makes my appliances sparkle the most.
We could really meet.
If you need some oven deep cleaning motivation, check out my spring cleaning playlist. The last video that I recorded, I did a deep clean of my oven, and I even showed what products I used, and it was a huge difference. It was so satisfying to see that before and after. So if that is something that you need as well, make sure you check out that video. The playlist will be linked in my description box.
We don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave.
If you stumbled across my video today, or you are here because of our group playlist, I just wanted to take a moment and welcome you and thank you so much for being here. My name is Ashley. I love making homemaking, cleaning motivation, and lifestyle videos. My real passion is in interior decorating, and if that is something you are into, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss any of my notifications. I would love for you to stick around and become a part of my YouTube family. If you are new here and you subscribe, make sure you introduce yourself down below so we can all get to know you.
Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get.
After I am finished wiping down the cabinets, we are going to head over to those black doors I was telling you guys about earlier so that we can disinfect them. I'm using a little bit of my Method anti-bac spray just to make sure that this is completely disinfected with all of the germs and everything going on in the world right now. I just like to make sure all doorknobs, handles, and doors are completely disinfected because with little ones, they love to touch everything. So I wipe these down quite often, but I also like to give them a really good scrub when it's time to spring clean.
We don't need to act strong, it's been.
A really good tip for cleaning your crystal light fixtures through a lot of trial and error, I found the easiest way is to put a little bit of alcohol in a spray bottle and grab a microfiber cloth. Before you get started, make sure you put a towel or some type of a cushion underneath your light fixture, because when cleaning the crystals, sometimes one can become loose and fall and you do not want it to break. So that is what I do. It has helped a lot, especially over areas like this sink. So if you try this tip out, let me know what you think and let me know if it worked for you as well. Sometimes on camera it is hard to see truly how dirty things are, so I wanted to give you a close-up shot of all of my baseboards and trim so you can see how dirty it really is. I'm going to use a little bit of the Grove Collaborative floor cleaner in this glass spray bottle and a microfiber cloth, a brand new clean cloth. I'm going to go through and wipe everything down, and this actually worked really well. It was my first time using this product specifically, and I love the way that it got everything off. Even on my cabinets where the Pledge may not have gotten everything, this cleaner worked very well.
Even if I lose my ground, I won't let it hold me down. We make our way, turn what we see to memories.
My floors were so dirty from all of the construction, so when it was time to mop them, I thought I was gonna have to get on my hands and knees and use an actual bucket and scrub them. But I started first with my Bona floor cleaner and my eCloth microfiber cleaning pad, and I was so surprised, you guys. It literally left my floors sparkling. It came out so good. This is exactly why I love this product. I feel like it just really cleans the floors well. Also, the eCloth really disinfects. So between the two, it is honestly the easiest and my most favorite way to clean my floors quickly. To clean my windows, I am going to use my eCloth window cloth and a little bit of water. If you can tell, I love eCloth. All of their cloths work so well to clean your home. It's honestly super affordable because you're not spending a ton of money on chemicals, and you can just throw them in the wash when you are done because they are reusable. I don't know why sometimes I'll tell myself like I buy glass cleaner and different things, and honestly every single time I go back to the eCloth. If you guys haven't used them, I highly recommend it. I think you can get the bundle, which includes all of the different cloths. I think it's like around $40, and honestly you could spend just that on chemicals. So definitely look into it, check it out. I don't think you will regret it at all.
Do you ever call back?
Now that everything is fresh and clean, I am going to start bringing back some of the appliances into the kitchen and styling my countertops so you guys can see the before and after at the very end.
Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go.
Do you guys like things on your countertops? I know it is one of those design rules. You're not really supposed to have a ton of things on your countertops in your kitchen, but I honestly can't help it. When we were installing this backsplash, I told my husband it was so beautiful and he did such a great job that I wasn't going to put anything on the countertops, and then here we are not long after. I am already bringing all of my decor back in and styling these countertops. So let me know in the comments down below, do you love things on your kitchen countertops, or do you like everything really bare and super clean?
Can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna.
I added back in these red hearts at the bottom of my tiered tray. This is how I originally had it styled before we had the backsplash up, but you can see later in the video when I reveal the after photo that I ended up taking it off because it ended up looking way too cluttered. So that is what I mean when I say sometimes you really shouldn't have a lot of things on your countertops. These countertops, we will hopefully replace them one day, so they are a little bit busy. I would like to do something maybe porcelain or marble, all white with just a couple veins. I feel like that will be beautiful along with having the countertops styled, but for now it is just not really an option, so I am gonna have to work with this new backsplash and making sure that areas don't look too cluttered.
Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
I love displaying all of our fruit in the kitchen. I feel like when it's out on display, the kids reach for it a lot more. So if that's something you haven't done, try it out. But here is a before shot of the kitchen. As you can see, it was just painted walls. It was beautiful, but it definitely needed a backsplash because the walls were starting to get stained from cooking. And so here is the after. I absolutely love it. I want to know what you guys think. My husband did an incredible job. I am so grateful and thankful for him because I have been bugging him to do this forever, and he's a construction worker. He works a ton of hours and he is super busy, so to get him to do home projects is nearly impossible, but he managed to pull it off and I am so grateful. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to check out my playlist from the group collab today with Amy Darley, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.